What's up, guys? We're back in Blackstar. So we're going to be doing the hidden trails, all the single track rough terrain. And if you like to see people getting hurt, this is going to be a good video.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
Steve didn't want to do it.
All right. Doing the Forbidden Trails, part 1. All right, watch out, snakes. Nada.
Lost some traction there. Super loose dirt when we went.
Let's go, it's fun. Fucking plant. Alright.
Yeah, that was a super steep downhill and very loose dirt. Ton of rocks down there.
We made it. We made it. Wait for Steve. Where you at, Steve?
Yeah, Steve actually ended up turning back. He didn't want to take the risk. Not gonna lie, this trail was pretty intimidating, so I can't blame him. And this was our first time doing these single track trails, so life's a risk, carnal.
Really slow.
Yeah.
If you don't see me, I'm gonna head back up.
All right, I'll just wait for you at the end of the trail if anything. All right, Forbidden Trails part 2.
Yeah, the second trail was actually less intimidating. Very doable, actually. So Steve actually ended up coming down this trail. Did not regret it. A lot of fun.
Come on. Yeah, this is good, Steve. This is good, yeah. Oh shit. I need to stay on the trail though. Oh yeah, beautiful. Where's Steve at? Dude, next time wear pants, dude, or something. Alright, let's keep going, dude. This one's a little bit more intense. Oh shit. further down it'll connect, I think.
This is a beautiful trail, a lot of fun, you guys. I just want to apologize because most of my angles, my footage is all aimed downwards. I had no idea that my camera was facing down. When you're in the moment, you're just having fun and you're just riding, so you know, I didn't even give it a chance to check it out. But with that being said, I mean, I'd rather just post this video and have you guys see it. I had a lot of fun doing this. So here's the footage as promised.
Beautiful. That was amazing. Let's see how Steve does it. Yeah. That wasn't bad, huh? Yeah, dude. Yeah. This is Forbidden Trails Part 3. Is you recording? Yeah. Alright, let's get up there. Yeah, not bad. No, I don't think that's anything. Right here. This Forbidden Trail Part 4. Yo, Steve. Forbidden Trail Part 4. Let's do it, man. Send it. No, come on.
It was at this moment that he realized he messed up.
Bitched out. I braked too hard. I hit the front brakes because I thought it ended right here, and I thought, okay, we gotta go down this way.
Stop lying.
Fucked up, man. And I flipped forward. Yeah, dude, I'm good. Like a bitch. That's why they're called Forbidden Trails. Oh shit. Part 5.
Like every good mountain biker, once you go down, you gotta get right back up and hit the trail again.
Yeah. Oh, fucking front brake, dude.
Yeah, that front brake was out to get me that day.
Psych. Part 6. Let's do it, bro. Should we try it? Dude, I don't know if it goes all the way down though. I know, that's what I don't want to do. Part 5.
Good thing Steve was here, if not, I would have whined for it.
You almost lost it there, huh? I saw your back tire.
Yeah, so that's it for the Forbidden Trails. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I had a lot of fun doing this ride. So this was our first time doing these trails. Had no idea what to expect, but as you can see, it was a little bit more than what I bargained for. I even caught some air, ate a little bit of dirt, but that's alright. Still here. So make sure you guys follow, subscribe. I know I'll be posting another video soon. Just finished Fullerton Loop, so stay tuned for that, guys.
We went there, didn't we? Yeah.